Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Hope you're having a great day. First thing I want you to do, guys, is go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that subscribe button. Click that notification bell right now before we get started. That way you're notified every time I upload new videos, okay? So for the rest of you, welcome back to the channel, okay? I am a full-time affiliate marketer, guys, and I actually promote other people's products, okay? I show you different programs that I'm working where I do that, and in turn I get a commission from simply working from the comfort of my home with my smartphone and my laptop, okay? And I've been doing this full-time for 4 years now, since 2015, okay? So I can show you how to do it as well, all right? Most of the programs that I promote are digital programs, okay? Digital products, digital education. These programs teach you how to make money online. They're actual e-learning courses, okay? Most of the ones that I promote. So that way you can access these from anywhere in the world. As long as you have access to Wi-Fi, you have a smartphone and a computer, you can do these businesses that I show you, okay? Then I also show you some tools and techniques and things of that nature as well. But today I want to show you, because I get this all the time when people are getting ready to set up their business. They're like, well, how do I get my money? How do I get paid? Okay, and a lot of people go through, if you're like most people, you've been shut down through from PayPal. You can't use PayPal anymore, and I wouldn't recommend it at this point. And then a lot of people can't get Stripe. They can't get it started, okay? So they've tried to go ahead and actually get the account, and they've been declined for whatever reason, okay? But there's always a workaround, guys. Don't worry about it. You can receive your payments however you want, okay? You can get them in cash. You can tell someone to go to Walmart where they live, put it in your name, and you go pick it up at Walmart. We call it Walmart to Walmart. They can wire you the money. Then we have these apps. That's what I'm going to talk about today. Okay, you don't have to use these merchant accounts anymore. They're no longer required, if you will. I mean, you still can, but a workaround is if you can't, for whatever reason, you're not approved through authorized.net, you can't get your Stripe account set up, any of those things, no worries. We have apps now, okay? Everybody's walking around with a smartphone. And most people that's looking at your business opportunity, they're on their phone anyway. So since they're on their phone, they can go ahead and download these apps, and then they can pay you, okay, your commission right there from the phone. They can sign up, pay you all at the same time, okay? So I'm just going to show you a few of those real quick. Let's take a look. I'm going to give you some. They're free. And you can get the debit cards with them too, guys. They're all free to get set up, okay? So you can do these immediately, okay? So let me take you over to one of those apps. Let's get started. Hang on a second. Let's go over to, let's see what we've got. All right, let's go to Green Dot, okay? And I have these as well. So that's what I'm telling you about these, because I have them as well. So Green Dot, guys, okay? You can go to Green Dot. Download this app. Okay, it's not going to cost you $1 to download the app. Go ahead and get it on your phone, and you can request a debit card with Green Dot. Okay, so you can put this in your profile. Okay, and I'm going to show you that towards the end. So Green Dot is another one. This is an app. Okay, as you can see right here on the website, it tells you download the app if you have an Apple device. You can load it from there, or if you have a Droid at your Google Play, okay? So these are accessible to everybody, because everybody has a smartphone or their tablet they're using, okay? So Green Dot is another one. And see, if you go ahead and download these things, guys, it's perfect. So if someone calls you and they're ready to sign up, and they say, hey, well, I don't have this card. What about this one? Then you guys can have that communication. You can say, well, I'll tell you what, I've got a Chime, I got a Green Dot, I got a Cash App, and all these different things. So Green Dot is one. Okay, next, Chime. This is one I have as well. As you can see, it has a debit card right here. And it has a chip on it. Okay, so you can get you one of these for free as well. I would just get them all. I have them all, and I have the debit cards to go along with them. So Chime is another one. Okay, and all these can be managed from your smartphone. And for my people out there that's in their 9 to 5, guys, you can use these too, because they accept, you can use these to get your paycheck deposited. Okay, because it specifies on here, you can get direct deposit for everybody that's working. This one and Green Dot. Okay, they all have ways for you to get your paycheck on here too. So, but today we're talking about this for the online marketers. Okay, so you can get this as well, guys. Again, here we go. Download the app. So all these can be downloaded. Okay. So Chime is another good one. By the way, it says right here, you can get your check deposited 2 days earlier, guys, for your 9 to 5ers. Okay, so what it's saying is if your job say we deposit your check on Friday, Chime is saying they'll have it in your account by Wednesday. Okay, so it's just good to have even for your job. Okay, so Chime is one. All right, and then Cash App is the other one. All right, and here's Cash App, and see the debit card, and it has a chip on it. Okay, same thing, guys. You can download this. I'm going to put a link below for this one because Cash App will give you $5 to download their app. Okay, so I'm going to put a link below for that one. You get 5 and I get 5. Okay, so right here it tells you App Store or Google Play. So you can download this one, order your debit card. Go ahead and do that today, guys. So when you start your business, you're ready to roll because you'll have all the apps accessible to you right on the spot. Okay, so this is another one. Okay, and here's the other one. Now this one is the ORU card. You guys may have seen me talk about this a while back. I have this card as well. Now this one will cost you, let's see, let me give you the exact amount. It's a monthly fee to it, but this one is tied like to copy paste ads. They have this already in the back office, so you're going to need to get a card to join that one. But it costs you, so let me go to my site on that one. I want to say it's $5.95 a month, but let me make sure I give you the right information. Okay, yes, it's $5.95 a month, and there is a one-time $24.99 activation fee for that one. But this has access to, I think you get discounts on different things. It's a social media platform with this one. This one has a little bit more benefits with it than the regular just debit cards. That's why, you know, it has that rate. But it's a great one. I have this one as well. So if someone has an ORU card, they can send me money from their ORU account to me. And all these you can add your own bank card too. So if you don't have money in your account, let's say for ORU, you're going to add your debit card to it, and that's how you would pay the person. And it will work the same for all of these. Okay, so when you just get started, you won't have any money in your account. So just add your bank card to it. So if you want to pay someone, you're able to do that from app to app. Okay, if that makes any sense. And let me show you real quick where, for an example, you would put this. Let's say you say, well, I want to join you in one of your programs. I'm going to show you one. Hang on a second. Okay, I'm in my Instant Cash Solution back office. Okay, so I'm going to show you for an example. Instant Cash Solution is a great program, by the way. If you want to start making instant commissions and you want all the ad copy, which they give you 50 pre-written ads. They're ad images, actually 50 images, okay, to get started. And you'll have all the ads you need, all the training you need, but you'll be able to make, it depends on which level you come in. They have $100, $200, $300, and $500 level. And you can get started for as low as $129. So anyway, let's say you want to start with me at Instant Cash Solution. You say, well, once you're in your back office, where do you put the Cash App or the Green Dot information? I'm going to show you that. Hang on a second here. By the way, go to this website, postingforprofits.ws, to get started. Hang on a second. Before we get there, I want to show you something real quick. As you can see right here, here's other options too. Instant Cash Solution has options. Solid Trust, Dwala, Authorized.net, And Stripe is here too. I don't want to move this because it's going to show my Stripe information, but I want you to see that. So we're going to go down a little bit further. Hang on a second. All right, if we go further down, as you can see on the page, there is also First Data. If you have a First Data account through a merchant account, you can add it in there too. But right here, guys, in this box is where you would specify how you want to get paid, okay? So you could say right here, like I have pay via Cash App, and I put my Cash App or cash via Walmart to Walmart. And I put my number so people can call me if they have any questions, okay? So it's always great to have options, okay? So the more options, the better it is for everybody. So you literally can put them in there. You can go in there and say, well, pay via Cash App, pay Chime. You can list them all because all you're going to list is your username or your login information for each one, like whatever your Cash App name is, whatever your Green Dot name is, your Chime name, and you would just put it in there, or your ORU. And you would specify that in the payment details section in the back office. Okay, so that's how we do it in most of the programs that I'm involved in now. That's how they do it. Okay, so they give you that option to do that. So that's what you would do. Okay, so there you have it, guys. I've showed you 1, 2, 3, 4 debit cards that you can actually get. Okay, 3 of those are free. Okay, 3 are free, and the other one is going to be $5.95 a month. But the other 3 you can do immediately. And again, I'm going to put a link for Cash App below so that you can get $5 if you've never downloaded Cash App on your phone before. You can get $5, guys, instantly. And then you can join me in Instacash Solution, okay? Pick a level, 100, 200, 300, 500. And it doesn't even have to be Instacash Solution. I'm an easy one up as well. You can join me over there in that. Any of these programs, okay, that allow you to receive your money. And that's what I like, 100% commission. These are 100% commission. I'm not splitting the commission with anybody with these. These are all your 100% commission. That's what I like about these. And they allow you to receive your money the way you want to be received. Okay. So over here with Easy One Up, you got your $25 level, which I don't recommend coming in at $25, guys. You need to be in profit. Okay. It's going to take more money to advertise for you to just make $25. You're going to already be in the negative. Okay. So come in at least at the Elevation Elite level. Okay, you have the $100 level, the $250 level, the $500 level, the $1,000 level, the $2,000 level. Okay, but I highly recommend 100 or higher, and I've got great bonuses if you come in at these levels. Okay, so that's what I want to show you guys today. The different apps that you can use. Okay, different apps that you can use as your process. You don't need the processors, okay? So don't get caught up on, well, I don't know how I'm going to get my money. I wasn't approved through Stripe. I wasn't approved through Authorize or any of these processors. Don't worry about it. Use these apps. Don't let that hold you back from starting your business. Don't have to. You can even receive cash, okay? You can tell the person, hey, go to Walmart and send the money. Mail it to me, okay? So that's no reason to delay you getting started, okay? So join me in one of these programs, okay? Reach out to me. I look forward to working with you, okay? Until next time, I will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to click that notification bell so you're going to be notified every time I upload new videos, okay? Look forward to working with you guys. You guys have a blessed day.